Welcome to my channel Creative Art. I am Nilima, and this Diwali season we are going to do a quick DIY using this beautiful filament decoupage papers from Little Birdie. In this pack you get two beautiful printed filament papers. The first one is of Ma Kali and the second one is of Ma Lakshmi. So friends, do watch the complete video to make this beautiful decoupage art yourself, and do subscribe my channel for more creative art painting videos, and do press the bell icon to get notification for each video I post every week. Now let's quickly get to the video and check out all the materials. For this DIY, first of all, we're going to need the pack of filament decoupage paper, which is of 60 GSM, and you can place this paper on any kind of surface like glass, tin, wood, or even MDF. So for base, this time I'm going to use an MDF board of A4 size, which is exactly the size of filament paper. Next, to place the decoupage on place, we are going to use the Deco Magic Premium Decoupage Glue, the glossy version, and as a varnish, I'm going to use the Decor Varnish, which is same glossy, and a flat hair brush. To prime my base, I'm going to use a mixed media paste, which is a 2-in-1 gesso and modeling paste. All these materials are from Little Birdie, which you can easily buy from www.itsybitsy.com. And if you use my code, which is Nilima5, capital Nilima, Nilima5, you get additional 5% off on any purchase from the ItsyBitsy website. So let's start the video, friends. First of all, we'll start by priming our base, and for that I'm going to use the mixed media paste, which is 2-in-1 modeling paste and gesso. So use a little bit of quantity in your palette, mix it with a little bit of water so that you can get a smooth consistency, and then start priming your base using a flat hair brush in this way. In the same way, you have to prime the sides of the base also, and if you want, you can also prime the back side. So now friends, I will let it get dry for 15 to 20 minutes and then we can start our next part. Now after 15 minutes, our base is completely dry. So let's start placing our decoupage. So now before placing the decoupage, friends, let's take a measurement of our decoupage with our base. As I can clearly see, the sides of my base are bigger than the decoupage, so there is a solution for that. That is to apply the similar color paint of the border, or else you can also apply any other color matching to your painting or decoupage. So now friends, using a paintbrush and pink acrylic color, I'm going to apply the similar color paint on the borders of our base. So now friends, we will let it get dry for more 15 minutes and then we can start applying the decoupage. Now the coloring has got dried up completely. So now let's start placing our decoupage filament paper on our base, which perfectly fits it now because of the pink border coloring we have used. And for this, I'm going to use Deco Magic Premium Decoupage Glue, which is glossy version. So you can either pour it in your palette or directly pour it on your base. As I'm quite experienced with this, so I'll directly place it on my base. Now friends, using a flat hair paintbrush, I'll start spreading this decoupage glue on the base. Spread the glue evenly. Now you can clearly see that the glue has spread very evenly on our base, and it is absolutely ready for us to place the beautiful decoupage paper right on place. Now friends, just hold your decoupage paper gently in your hand. Decide where you want to place it, and then as you can see, I have placed it on the base, marking it exactly, and then gently drag it in this way. Now gently friends, using two hands, start pressing the decoupage paper in to outwards, in to outwards. Make sure that your fingers or hand is not covered with glue, not even a single drop. Here we have finally completed placing this beautiful filament paper, and you can clearly see how beautiful it looks with the pink border There is not even a single wrinkle on the entire paper, just because the easy process we used to place it. So now friends, I will let it get dry for more 15 minutes, and then we can use one more layer of Deco Magic Premium Glue to layer it on and keep the shine for a minute. And then we can also use varnish. So each time I'm going to give an interval of 15 minutes. So now we will let it get dry first. Now friends, our decoupage has got dried up completely. So now I'm going to apply the second layer of decoupage glue. Using a flat hair brush, gently spread it all around. And now we will let it get dry completely for more 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, I have done a heavy application of decoupage glue. So now friends, we will let it get dry for at least more 15 to 20 minutes till the decoupage glue turns completely transparent, and then we will be ready to apply varnish, the decor varnish. Now friends, you can see the glue has turned transparent and it is completely dry. So let's start doing our finishing touch using the decor varnish glossy version. I'll pour it in my palette. Now using a flat hair brush, gently start applying the varnish from one side in this way. Make sure the layers you are applying is even. Once the varnish is dry, it will turn completely transparent and glossy. Now we will let it get dry. Now finally, the varnish has got dried up completely, and this is how beautiful our decoupage art look. I have placed both the decoupage art pieces side by side so that you can see that both the art pieces looks equally beautiful. You can either frame it or directly place it on wall by using two-side tape, or else this Diwali you can decorate your homes and do puja of both the Devis. That is completely your choice. I hope you did like this video, so do tell me in the comments below what do you think about it. And if you do like my videos friends, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a happy and safe Diwali. Bye.